Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making spaghetti Alio e Olio. This is a quick and easy recipe for everyone. It's basically spaghetti with olive oil and garlic. So let's start. First off, cut the garlic in small pieces. Don't leave them too big because you don't want to bite into a big piece of garlic. Put some olive oil into a pan and bring some salted water to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook it until al dente. And make sure the pasta isn't ruining your shot. Gently fry the chili flakes and garlic. Make sure you do this gently because burnt garlic will taste bitter. Once the pasta is cooked, add it into the garlic and chili mixture. Stir until combined and gradually add some cooking water. Go in with some of the cheese and black pepper. Once it looks creamy, transfer it onto a plate. Try to make it look cool and don't feel like I just did. Add some more cheese and chili flakes over the top and you're done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, enjoy baking and see you next time at your dinner.